2006 Toyota Highlander Hybrid Limited 2-wheel drive navigation leather third-row sunroof heated seats JBL premium stereo very clean and well maintained 2 owners clean Carfax. Contact us today for our internet sales price. Matthews Motors 2010 CIADA Quality Dealer of the Year, 2010 and 2011 Triangle East Magazine Best Dealership Award, 2011 BBB Torch Award finalist, 2012 Business Leader Magazine Top 50 Entrepreneurs Award. Free Carfax on every vehicle. Visit us online at www.matthewsmotors.com, located just outside Raleigh, North Carolina.